Katerina, this is my school. It is very big, so it needs of some beans. For example, in the zone where the guys play, there are 10 beans. Then we have one bar, some bathroom for the man and for the woman, and one gym. In the gym, there aren't 10 beans. In the bar, there are 4 beans. One of these is for the plastic. And then we have some bathroom for the woman and for the man. In the bathroom, there are 3 beans. Now, let's go in the center of the school. The gym. In this gym, there aren't any beans. And now let's go in the bar. Part of the bar, the rest of the bar is closed, so we can go inside. But in this bar, there are 4 beans. One of these is for the plastic. Cool, there are also 2 floors. In second of these, there are 6 classes. In every class, there is 1 bean, but the guys don't do the separate collection. Of my school, we can say that in the school there are many beans, but the guys and the teachers don't do very well the separate collection and the recycling. We believe in a better school and in a better future. Let's go away because we have to visit the area where I live. It's my zone. In my zone there are many beans like in the school, but the people don't do very well the separate collection and the recycling. For example, here there are 4 beans. This one is for the things that we don't use. This one is for the things that we can't use. This is for the paper, and then we have this. That is for the plastic. Finally, my zone isn't very well because the people, I repeat, don't do very well the recycling and the separate collection. But I believe in a better world and in a better future.